We have a Samsung drive, model number DVE52M8650V/A3, and make tumbling noise. So let's find out what's the issue. And the same time, there's no heat, so let's fix this. Alrighty, so we can start remove filter. Once we're done with those three, so you need a paring knife or a flat screwdriver. So lift it up, then we unhook these. Then we can set it up just like that. Okay. So then we need to remove these three screws. So finish that. So if you have a room, you just put it on the side. I'm just explaining it. You can just move this one a little this way. Okay. So or you can remove it from here, but just so be careful. These parts are these are break so easily. It doesn't matter how you be careful, so the way I do, I just put it on the side just like that. So once I'm done, then I put it back. But if you don't have a room, so yes, just be careful, grab it with one hand and play with it, then you can remove that. But once we're done with that, so we can start this one and hook. So once we're done with the front ball hook, so now we're able to remove it. Just lift it up. Do we take? Yes, we take everything. So, alrighty. So we can put it on the side. Then you can reach out. Alright, and I see. So that's gonna be a lot. So I need to clean that one. Then what should I find also? So The drum is cracked as well. So we need to clean everything. So I'm gonna get another drum, which is always I have. So I just, replace it with the used one. Then we will see. So what's wrong with others? So once I clean up everything, then I will check. It should be fused. The way I see, I can say it's a heat element, but let's see. We will check. Alrighty. Alrighty. So I do my best to clean as much as I can. And now we're ready to, so we can set your multimeter to home setting. Okay. 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 So the fuse out. We need to replace it. Seriously? So we can take these off. Excuse me. So and it come with a black one, or you come with a white one. So either ways work. These are come original, from Samsung manufacturer. Difficult to find. Excuse me. So you can order from through the Samsung website, if they have available. But originally try to get like eBay, Amazon. Those are not right. So those are out really quick, 2-3 load after that. So which is I just suggest find one of these, and yes, then you can replace it. Alrighty, and we can go back. Where's the I just take it. Alrighty, so we clean out as much as I can. We ready to test our fuse and heat element. So we good on heat element. Okay, thermal fuse are out. We just need we can unhook this too first if you want. Okay. Difficult too. Alrighty. So this is, let's taste this one. Okay, but you can get one of these. So this is out. I will put part number on description. So one of these, so I'm gonna go with the white one. It doesn't matter. And this is not work. Okay. And if you don't have a multimeter, something like that, to find out if you move it, so it's nothing inside moving. But this one, I don't know, you heard it or not, but so yeah, this is working and this is not. Same way, if we had it few times to the ground, there you go. It's come on. So now we will test this one. There you go. So we're not gonna use that. That's how, if you want to do temporarily, this is it. But I'm gonna use these. These are the new one, and we can put it back. Those are, you can get it from eBay, Amazon, but I suggest always go with eBay. So alrighty. So I need to get a head mount, I believe. So then I need to adjust it, and so I can easily work on them. So I'm using a chest mount, so sometimes I'm not able to show properly. Alrighty, so once we're done, already I clean everything, so smooth, so we're ready to put it back. We can start it back. And this was the old one was cracked. So, and since I do have this one, so I'm gonna put it back. And yeah, so once we put, then we can go underneath, put the drum on. Always pull the bell with the pulley to the left, then you're able to put it on the spot. Then we can go with a fan bulk panel. Then Everything is right on the spot. Let's start put everything back. Alrighty. So we done two things. So we replaced the drum. It was cracked and thermal fuse. So I may put it separate video or maybe put it together. I don't know yet, but let's see. So once we're done with these screws, same thing, you can just take it easy. Okay. Alrighty. We're missing one screw, but don't worry. I always have one. So then you can hold it back. There we go. All right, so we can get one of these full of screws, any kind, any type. Always keep. So already. Put it back, and we can easily slide it down, put each one back. Oops. And last one all the way here, before we forget. So this is the light for light, so. Just like that. Alrighty. So that's it. So now we're ready to ready for test. We will see. Again, that's the old drum. You can see what's cracked, and this is the different one. So far we replaced this one. I have that one, so always I keep. We will see in a minute. Stay with me. Alright, so thank you for watching. If this video help out, if this video help out, please like, comment and subscribe. See you on next video.